Hey guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I just thought it'd be fun to share with you guys all the new goodies I just picked up from Shop Miss A. Shop Miss A is literally one of my favorite things in the entire world. This video is not sponsored by them, but fingers crossed that someday they find me and would like to partner with me because I love them. If you watch my channel regularly, you hear me talk about Shop Miss A in every video. They are the only brushes that I'm obsessed with. I use the mochi sponge consistently, literally I have their brushes sitting right here. Here's my sponge from this morning's makeup application. I have eyebrow razors from them. I have all types of stuff from them. So what they are is it's a $1 online store, but everything is made so well. I've said it 1,000 times, this sponge is better than the Beauty Blender. It's better than any other sponge I've ever used. So I know a lot of you guys are looking for affordable options and affordable things. I get DMs a lot to do more drugstore stuff. So I just thought this would be really fun to just kind of talk about everything and unbag it because I just got this in the mail and I am dying. I literally ripped open the top and I was like, wait, I should share this with my squad. So we are gonna go, and it's so cute. The bag always says it's here, feel good. And I was like, oh, I feel good. Let's get into this. And cover your ears if you hate the sound of crinkling bags because that was probably awful. So everything comes bubble wrapped, so it's very secure, which is awesome. I've never had anything arrive weird. Sorry, more of those fabulous crinkling noises. Okay, and then this is this portion of it. And then there's this. I mean, it might seem a little excessive, but I think it's great that they really wrap their products well because you know it's going to arrive to you nicely. Oh my God, I have so much stuff. I'm so excited. Okay, so don't judge me, but I restocked up on my blenders. I think I got 6 new blenders. So this is the exact blender, and I will try my best to link everything down below for you guys too. This is my ride or die. So this is the AOA Studios Wonder Blender. It is the, I guess it's called the Wonder Blender. I call it the mochi sponge, but it's because it's mochi soft. Okay, you know what? The more you know, the more you know. Okay, so this one actually donates to education. They have the Pawpaw line, which donates to animal charities, which is really exciting. And these type of items are $1.55, and those 55 cents get donated. And then this one gets donated to education, which is really exciting. So this, or $1.88, sorry, $1.88. Get my life together, I swear. This is the best sponge in the entire world for $1.88. I would pay 20 bucks for this sponge. That's how much I like it. It's amazing. So regardless of whether you're balling on a budget or not, pause this video and just get this sponge. You can thank me later. The next thing I got was a set of eyebrow razors. So these are them. AOA Studio is their in-house brand, I believe. So this one, it has the razor, it has the eyebrow comb, and then it has the eyebrow brush. For me, I don't tweeze my brows. I'll show you guys on this one that's already opened. I actually will just go in with my razor and razor off the hair. You can also, if you tweeze and just razor around to just get more of a shape, I think eyebrow razors are amazing. Just be really careful with them, obviously, because you could razor off your eyebrows. But it works for literally I use it for the peach fuzz on my face as well. That was an old Huda Beauty hack from forever ago when she used to shave her face, but I'll do it all through here, a little bit on the forehead, and just the makeup lays a lot better, but I use these razors for that as well. I picked up tweezers. So I lost my tweezers in the move, and these were pink and $1. Everything in here was $1. So I thought these would be perfect. Just so I have tweezers, if I need them for my brows or to put on lashes or anything like that. I picked up tweezers. Okay, so I picked this up even though I don't use them. I picked up a lash curler. I had actually stopped curling my lashes and they've grown a lot better, but sometimes they are a little bit more stubborn. So I picked up a lash curler so that I have one because I didn't even have one at this point. Again, it's only $1 and it's got, you know, the cushion on there and everything as well. And I really like that it has like the wider grip area. I feel like that is nicer. I hate when they have like a smaller grip area. So there is that. I picked up this pill box. I thought it was really cute. Let me show you guys. So this is the little pill box and you can open it up and each one has its own little thing. I am obsessed with Tati's brand, so I actually take the kiwi seed booster every single day, or the kiwi, I don't know if it's called kiwi seed booster, the kiwi seed vitamin thing every day for my skin, and it's helped tremendously. I also take her women's multivitamin consistently, so I actually got this so I can just pop those in there, and this will be a little bit easier in my purse than constantly carrying around my vitamin bottles because I tend to take them with lunch. Another thing that I've also been using is, because the kiwi seed is just for skin, I've been using these from Duvolle, which you guys know I'm obsessed with Duvolle. And this is more of like a hair, skin, and nails. This has like biotin and folic acid and things as well. So instead of carrying a giant thing of gummy vitamins, I can put that in there too. And I just thought it would be a little bit more user friendly. But again, $1. I can't. I am so excited about this. So first off, this eye mask has these adorable little kittens on it. Oh my God. Okay, so it's like a cotton filling mask with these little cats, but it has this. So if you're new to my channel, I suffer from really horrific migraines. I have tears in my shoulder and nerve damage, so like just the amount of pain that shoots back and forth all the time is crazy. So I thought, how cool is this that I can put this in the freezer for like an hour and put it on my face, and it'll really help, one, with eye puffiness, or two, it's gonna help with my migraines. And I like that this is really stretchy too. It had really good reviews, and again, all of these things are $1. I just was like, what? I was really excited about that. I got one of these. So this one is a brush cleaner. So I used to have the original color switch. I had gotten it when it first launched at an IMATS, and it's been lost in the abyss for probably 2 years now. But this one is the same exact thing. When you have an eyeshadow, you just swirl it in here, and then your brush will be clean again. So that helps where you're not constantly reaching for new brushes, especially if you're somebody who plays around with pigments. Something like this is really, really cool. I picked up a pack of scrunchies. I've been really into scrunchies. This comes with 3 for $1. I just got black because I don't know, I just wanted black. And I just thought these were they're nice, like little soft cotton scrunchies. I feel like scrunchies are easier on your hair as well. And I've been trying to keep my hair as healthy as possible. So definitely had to get scrunchies. I got these lashes, and I'm really excited about these. These are from Cara Beauty, and look at how cute those are. So I thought these would be a really fun natural lash. I've been really into more natural makeup lately, and I thought these were just really, really pretty, and I wanted to try them out. Like, look at how nice those are. They look kind of like an Ardell Wispy. Do I have an Ardell Wispy laying around? Let me show you. So kind of like an Ardell Wispy, but they're a little bit more spread out. And I like that. I like that very like doll lash effect where they're like really wispy in between. Forgive my fingers, I was eating hot Cheetos. I just looked over and I was just like, really? Damn. I also picked up a lip gloss. So this is a cherry flavored lip gloss. Let's see, does it have a seal on it? It does. Let me try to rip it off. I don't know. Oh my God. And I can't see where it is to rip off. I have my contacts in, so they don't focus quite as well. Oh, it was like literally the whole thing. Okay. I just wanted to see what it smelled like. So I got cherry. I'm obsessed with cherry. It smells so good. So let's see here. I'm just curious if it's like super sticky or anything. This is just a clear gloss. Oh, and it's not sticky. Oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, so it's not sticky. This is amazing. This had such good reviews and I was so excited to try it out. And then I think that, oh, last but not least, another thing I got was the AOA Studios. This is under their self-care tools. So this is a sleeping mask. So in my old apartment, I had gray velvet blackout curtains in my bedroom. Again, linking back to the fact that I have horrific migraine. And when they act up, I really am so sensitive to light and sound and everything. Well, I didn't bring them into my new room. Once I do a tour, you guys will understand why. But the light peeks in sometimes, even just in the morning. So I thought this would just be nice to just go to sleep with, just to keep the light out. And it's really, really soft on the inside, and on the outside, like, just how cute. Like, pretend I'm sleeping. So that's the one thing that I really like about AOA Studios, is all their stuff is like made really well. Like, this is made really, really well for $1 sleeping mask. And Shop Miss A is really cool. Like, I want to do this video to show you guys that it's not just makeup. Like, you can get so many tools and other things through them to save your money on, like, you know, $1 lash curler, $1 makeup sponges, all those types of things, $1 brush cleaner. I love their brushes. I've gotten all my brushes from them. Let me see if I can find some. They're just like everywhere, literally everywhere. But there's a pack that you can get. It comes in this that I'm using for other things right now. And it comes with like a top and a bottom of that, and you get like a 10-piece eye brush set. They're some of the best brushes I've ever used. They have, of course, you know, my contour brushes that I get from them that are obviously not from this exact video. I have a roll of brushes that is my foundation brush, my bronzer brush, everything. They are such good quality brushes. I can't rave about them enough, and I highly recommend them to you guys. Save some money, shop with Shop Miss A. And again, this isn't sponsored. I just am very passionate about Shop Miss A. I do eventually want to do a full face of their makeup. That is coming, don't you worry. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you end up picking up anything or have any favorites of your own that I should try out, definitely let me know. And I will see you guys next video. Bye.